Do this overnight. Stay chasing payments, hard times done changed, and I can't be saving now. Do this overnight. I know you're thinking this life is really amazing. And do this overnight. Look at all the nonsense I've been through. So-called beef with you know who. Did it myself. Why don't you? Why don't do this overnight? Don't expect help when it all fall through. Everyone will tell you it's all on you. Fight or run. What you gonna do? What you gonna do this overnight?
Everybody saying that they want the life, but everybody thinking that it's overnight. They say you wanna win, then you know the price.
And do this overnight.
Had a little chick that was known to gripe. Early in the morning was on a flight. I don't really know if it was wrong or right, but
And do this overnight.
always did it big way before the hype. I'm just trying to live, let me roll the dice. Gotta be the boss, can I own my life?
And do this.
It is time to hear the most weirdest, most annoying sound you can probably hear. Let it begin. What the fuck? Very sorry about the language.